Epicflows production.
Epicflows!
Yeah! What could have caused this problem, man? Today of all the days them. So, let me tell you what going on. I live on it girl, the Zine, and I talk to this cat for months now. And today she finally decides that she come link me in my yard. Today is Saturday, September 7, 2019. And on Saturday, September 7, 2019, I take a shit. No water no there. Hello? You outside? Alright, man, forward. Welcome to my station. I mean, at my home. Welcome to my home.
Can you use the bathroom?
The bathroom?
Yeah, really need to use the bathroom.
Me can't use the bathroom?
Really mean if you use the bathroom.
You, number one or number two?
Seriously? You don't let me use the bathroom?
I go check say everything alright.
Epic!
Yeah, man, me a forward.
Ramon!
Yeah, me a forward. I forgot use man and take it out. I forgot do something nasty what me no want do. I forgot dip me hand in there. What a come?
Ramon!
See bathroom here, see bathroom here, man.
Chuck. No man. Ramon,
Yeah?
you have water problem.
No.
You can pass my bag for me?
Everything alright, babes?
Yeah, duh.
You want some water?
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, enjoy Netflix, babes.
You have a condom?
Yes, I'm going to that bathroom feet. Nova, what is? What is?
I don't know. Can't box, so I can't do it, you know?
You really shit in a cat box.
Yeah, eat that boy. about is me do it in a cat box when it's clearly a cat.
Nova!
Don't call me name.
Nova, the cat dead from last week. Boy, me shit in my box.
Bye.
It's Epicflows here.
Epicflows production.
Radekal epic. Zin.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Get